Yo, YouTube, today I got you the last London preset. This ain't it. Here it is. You got the Vox, Alib 1, Alib 2, armies. For this preset video, you need a 500 auto-tune artist, Valhalla. You can go through and check. I'm not sure 100%. But obviously, here you guys go. I'm going to drop the template. Here you guys go. Here you guys go. What it sound like? Pretty girls turned up in the car, yeah. Getting close to me, yeah, she call it like a car, yeah. I'm at the side, baby girl, I know what you want. Hey, mad on the time, yeah, you gonna jump. I need you, take a flight to see you. There can never be you, and I hate to leave you. Say like she's better, saying adios, me gusta ser malios. Just a little preview. I wanna show y'all. I want to show you just the harmonies. Just harmonies. This harmony is going to be no bass vocals. Here you go. So it's hard. You can these pretty girls turned up in the car, yeah. Getting close to me, yeah, she call it like a car, yeah. I'm at the side, baby girl, I know what you want. Hey, mad on the time, yeah, you gonna jump. I need you, take a. There you go, how to sound like. Let's let it. I will do this. Have fun. I'll see y'all in the next.